Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D350 Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in silicon silver. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the silicon silver exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room, and this car does in fact have a 7-seat configuration as well, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a fixed rear sunroof as well as a sliding front one, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 14,092 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, where you have everything you may need for any journey, included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, weight sensing, your terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing with this is a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D350 Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.